Hello, this is the Tradesight US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 14th of July, 2021. This could be options unraveling, so we'll see what that looks like. And remember, this is options expiration week, and earnings are going to start to hit a little bit, although I think most of them in the next 2 weeks. But here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Pulled back a little bit today, which is not shocking. Let's look at everything else we got to see here. Crude oil down 30 cents to 74.95, but still very near the highs. Gold up $3.30. I don't think anybody cares. S&P cash loses 15.42. It was up most of the day and sold off late in the day. There's a lot of concerns about inflation and other stuff. Nasdaq 100 down 3 points after making new highs for the session. SOX down 18.1935. Look, the 13 sell signal there is still in place. The Bowtex down 55 points is what it is. The Russell 2000 down 42 points. That's fine. This thing, look how, you can see a 13 sell signal back in March, the buy signal in May. But look, here's the way to really look at it. How flat has this thing been since February? I mean, it's ridiculous, right? That's so flat for the Russell 2000. Just VIX up 95 cents, 1792, 1712. The trend closes at 1.08, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.20. Probably not going to matter until that big number pops off up near 220. Nasdaq volume 4.6, basically billion shares, almost there. It's above the 10-day moving average, but it's above the last couple days. But it's better than we've seen for a while. So let's be honest about it. But the advanced decline ratio on Nasdaq negative 21.27. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 days worse than that so far in 2021. So this is not positive, and that usually is. Watching the advanced decline ratio is bigger than anything else. On the New York, negative 15.75 is bad. Google gains $7.32. If I go to projection mode, there's a 13 sell signal now on Google. Apple up $1.14, and it is what it is. I would say Google gave you a bigger problem. Netflix up $3.37. This thing hasn't gone anywhere since last October. Amazon up, down 41.19, down 41 points, but nobody cares, as Jeff Bezos prepares to rocket into space. But by the way, that's not about Amazon itself. Tesla down 17.16. Facebook down, Zoom down down 73 cents. Tesla down 17.16. I think I said that already. Goldman Sachs down 4.52. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 1.12. The Dow down 100 points. Doesn't really matter. Bitcoin sitting at 51,800. So very near the low. Now there is a 13 buy signal on Bitcoin for the first time in a while. I mean, it's been since last year that we got a 13 signal either way. So we'll see what that means. Facebook down $1.17. By the way, there's a 13 sell signal we pointed out today in that one, and also in there's another one that we had. A 13 sell signal was on a shorter time frame, the 65. But look at how Facebook hit that risk line perfectly. It is what it is. All right, in terms of intraday action, what do we got? Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market. And so 5-minute candles, we gapped down, we filled the gap, tried to go higher, we were flat, going into lunch, and then coming out of lunch, sold off a bit, and closed down. Basically closed where last Friday's close was. Remember, we're 2 days into the week. Nasdaq 100, kind of the same thing. Monday, on the right side, the left side of your chart, Monday had gapped up, filled the gap, tried to drift it back up and close in the opening range. Tuesday opened flat, then ran up, got a 13 sell signal. Look at that, right at the high, dead flat over lunch, then came back, filled that, and closed. So like, it closed even for the day, but was up for a couple points for the week. But again, there's not much here, and this is not super exciting. I don't know what that means for the week ahead because there's no major signals, but it doesn't look positive if you're asking me. Remember, we have options expiration on Friday. We start to have earnings come out, everything like that. In terms of economic data on Wednesday, got the PPI and hour before the bell, crude oil at 10:30, and that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.